External antenna. It has an external 2 dBi antenna and can better receive Wi-Fi signals. It can support up to 3 garage doors at the same time. One sensor is included in the package. The other 2 sensors need to be purchased separately, no monthly fee or any other subscription fee. Compatibility check. Please scroll down and check in the product guides and documents, application guide whether your garage door model is in the compatibility list. Also, you can check if your garage door model is in the compatibility list on Miros official web. Note: 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network support only. More convenient. Remote and voice control, just tapping the free Miros app from anywhere with internet access or speaking to your Alexa, Google Assistant devices to open and close your garage door. The built-in sound alarm makes closing the door safer, especially for families with children and pets. Precise and stable. You can check the garage door open, close operation records through the app. Stay alert by different notification modes such as garage door open, close status, overtime notification and overnight notification to remind you close the garage door. Easy to install. Installation is much easier than you may think. You can make your garage door smart in just a few simple steps.